DCT UKers, we're finally here. It's December and it's nearly Christmas. So here at DCT UK, this Christmas we are giving away loads of Christmas hampers, and all you've got to do is place an order online or over the phone. So I bet you're wondering what is in this Christmas hamper. Well, let me tell you. So in this deluxe Christmas hamper, you'll receive some sweets, chocolates, biscuits, cakes, mince pies to leave out for Father Christmas on Christmas Eve, peanuts and all the family favourites, not forgetting a bottle of bubbly to finish the night off with. So our Christmas hamper giveaway starts today, so get those orders in right now and it ends on the 25th of December. And also don't forget, we've got tons of carpet towels, LVT and all your flooring needs over on our website. And also remember, we can fit your flooring just before Christmas. So if you've got a project coming up, then get booked in right now. So keep an eye out on all our social medias as you may see us packing your hamper. So get shopping.